Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It is Friday, August 21st. I'm going to go over the markets for the day and week with you here. Very quiet trade except for wheat markets overall in the big scheme of things for this. Corn market up anywhere from or down a half cent to up 2.5 on the day. Front month seeing that support. Deferreds finding a little bit of negativity overall on the week, up 2.5 cents on the week for corn market. And really, as you can see, if it weren't for today, we would have been steady overall. So started off with some strength, couldn't follow it through. Soybeans anywhere from a half cent lower to 2.25 cents lower on the day, down 2 3/4 overall on the week. So once again, very quiet trade leading up to this. We did get pro farmer tour results here after the close. Corn market coming in at 177.5 BPA. That is below expectations compared to USDA. USDA is at 181.8. Now USDA and Pro Farmer always have a little bit of difference. So if we look at where you are as an increase year over year between Pro Farmer and USDA, they both are very, very similar. So it is showing you that USDA might be on track for that yield number, which is crazy to think of. When you look at the soybean market, 52.5 BPA is what you came in here for Pro Farmer. That is below what USDA has of 53.3. But if you look at that, this is the one that has a little difference. If you look at year over year change, you don't see as big of a change here in Pro Farmer, or you should see a bigger change here in USDA's number than what you've seen. So if you take that same percentage move, you really should see USDA closer to 54 BPA, which is crazy, and I don't think you're going to get there. Pro Farmer said over and over again they do pod counts, and they don't feel like you're going to be able to finish a lot of these pods out unless you get a good rain for a lot of these areas, and that's not forecasted right now. So that's going to be the driving force come Sunday night trade, is to see where we are as far as it goes with the chance of precipitation for the Corn Belt moving through the week. Wheat market was the one that got the biggest moves here overall on the day. Chicago wheat up 7 3/4 overall on the week, up 27 1/4. Minneapolis wheat up 1 3/4, state up 17.5 on the week, and then Kansas City up 4.5 cents today, up 20.5 overall in the week. So a lot of support showing through into the wheat markets as you really try and round out a bottom overall when you look at that. Meat market's really quiet. Actually, if it weren't for today, they were pretty much steady on the week. So live cattle down $1.22.5 today, down $1.80 on the week. Feeders down anywhere from 50 cents to $1.10 on the day, down $1 on the week. And hog market's down 92.5 today, up 42.5 cents overall in the week. So cash trade remains strong here as we kind of inch forward, 110 live. When you look at cash trade, hogs have been coming up as well. Export numbers were great this week for both cattle and hogs, which makes up for the last couple weeks being a little poor. The big hog story was going to China with a lot of exports, so that's nice to see as well. So moving forward, all eyes will be on weather to see if you get that finishing rain, that $1 million rain for soybeans. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and option involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.